Guys, it's Ari. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, welcome back. It's been a long time. Well, I guess besides the last video, which was like probably 2 weeks ago, where my husband did my makeup. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. But yeah, today's video is gonna be a transformation video. Don't mind my hair. I have a wig review that I'm gonna be doing. I'm so ashy, I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna be doing a wig review in another video, so I'm filming that while I'm filming my Get Ready With Me, so yes. Anyway, I'm gonna do a complete transformation because this is coming off, and your girl looks a little busted right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my bonnet on so you don't have to see that. But I'm gonna get ready. I did a transformation video for New Year's, this past New Year's 2019, for a New Year's party. And I really enjoyed filming that, so I'm going to do another one. So going from this to something else. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put my bonnet on and get ready. I'm going to do like skincare and stuff too in this video, so yeah, go ahead and continue to watch if you'd like to see me go from busted to a lot better version of this. Okay, bonnet is on. Let's go ahead and start. So, I already washed my face in the shower just with some like gel cleanser. I use the Neutrogena Acne Control. Now I am going to exfoliate my face using this Queen Bee facial peeling, a facial peel that I've talked about before on my channel. I really like it a lot. So I'm gonna do that and then shave my face because my face is a little bit hairy. And then do my Glam Glow mask. This has been my face skincare routine for a long time. This has transformed my skin, but my skin has been super clear for years now, or I guess, yeah, probably like 2 years now after switching to this. So here's this. I like to do this before I shave my face, just so it's nice and smooth. And I am down to like the last little bit in here. It's kind of like a jelly formula, and it has little beads, but it takes off the top layer of your skin, which you can see in just a minute. And then in the comments, people were like, it's just the product itself that balls up to look like dead skin. But I was like, I don't know, because my skin feels like different after I use it. It doesn't feel like I didn't put any, like, you see all this white stuff here? That's supposedly dead skin, so I don't know. I think it is dead skin because my skin feels like a baby's butt after using this. So, yeah. It's recommended to use this no more than twice a week. I use it probably every... I try to do this like every weekend. If not, I'll do it like every other weekend because I don't wear makeup to work. Just because it's kind of pointless. I'm in an office with like all women at like 4 o'clock in the morning. So I'm not trying to look cute for anybody. Okay, my face is shaved. I'm looking nice and bald. I'm just kidding. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my Glam Glow mask. This is the Super Mud mask. I really like it a lot. I will warn you, if you do try out this like skincare routine, after using the facial peel and then using this, your face is gonna feel like it's on fire for about 30 seconds. But I don't really know if that's a good thing, but my skin looks great, so. Alright, so this is how my face is looking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for like 15... I always do this. My skin is just so soft, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna let this sit for like 15-20 minutes, as long as it takes to dry and become this color all over. So, yeah. Okay, it is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and get this off my face. I will just use warm water, and then once I've gotten it like all the way off, I like to take like just kind of a soapy cleanser just to make sure that it's completely off my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll probably just use the same face wash that I used before. This is what I use on my face. It's the Aveeno Creamy Moisturizing Oil. It is very thin, so that's why I like to use it on my face, because it doesn't interfere with my makeup. But it's still moisturizing. It's too thin to actually use on my body because I just feel like it doesn't do anything, because I'm very dry, so I feel like my skin just like sucks it up and then I'm still ashy. But on my face, it's pretty good. Anyway, okay, so I have a very specific look, not look, I guess, is very, very specific like vibe that I'm going for today. I want to do something very pink, not pink, like terracotta color, peachy, rosy kind of color, very like romantic looking. I have nowhere to go. So I have this palette, which I remember filming a video on this, but I don't think I ever uploaded it. I want to say something happened while I was editing it, and then, I don't know, I just didn't upload it. So I don't think I've ever showed this on my channel. I might have. I've had this for quite a while. So this is the Soul Blooming palette, and I actually saw it on Facebook. The reason why I got it was because of this blue color right here. I thought this was just like the prettiest shade of like periwinkle blue. I'm thinking to use like this color and maybe this. I have the Manny MUA palette over here too, because there's some colors in here that I can probably use, like this kind of color right here, maybe this. I really want something warm, terracotta-y. And then I have this Morphe palette, the Morphe 35V, which I think came out last year. But this rose gold color in here is really pretty. I have been liking the Honeydew Me Up. I used to use this a lot, so you guys have, you know, my thoughts on it. I really like this primer a lot, especially this time of year, because it is very hydrating and it's very sticky, so my makeup sticks to it really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that kind of all over, and it smells good too. But I believe it's like honey and collagen and stuff is what this primer is made out of, and it has like little gold flakes and stuff in it, so that's really cool. And I'm actually gonna avoid my nose area because it does nothing for my pores. This is the Farsali Skin Tune Blur. I've used this several times on my channel. I might not have used it that many times on my channel because I haven't been filming, but I do use this quite often. So I just like the texture of it. It's thick, and it's pretty good with my pores, because my pores on my nose are, that's where I have the biggest pores. I don't know if you can see it. I film on my phone, so quality is not that great, sorry. This I know for sure I have not used on my channel. This is the Fenty Beauty, the hydrating one. This is the, well, Pro Filter, well, the other one's called Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. So this is the hydrating one versus the original matte primer or matte foundation that I really like. So as you can see, because it's all the way down here, this one I have it in the same color. This is $4.50 and this is $4.50 as well. And I'm actually gonna try the Jackie Aina trick for keeping foundation on your nose. She said to not put it directly on your nose, because for me, I don't have any issues with foundation coming off my nose, but it looks like I get a lot of buildup throughout the day. So what I think I'm gonna do is do what she suggested in her video, and I just use whatever, like the residual products from the brush, I use that on my nose. Okay, I know that I get very heavy-handed, especially, not so much with foundation, but concealer for sure, so I gotta make sure to tone that down as well. But to me, this foundation is not as full coverage as the original formula, which I'm not mad at, because I don't really, I love a full coverage foundation, but that's not a make or break thing for me as long as it's buildable. So if I do want to be a little bit more full coverage, I have the option to do that. So I do really like this foundation. I know it came out a while ago, so I'm sure you guys have watched reviews on it, but that's just my opinions on it. Okay, now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and go over my nose. And it already looks better. I didn't put any actual product on my nose, just whatever's left over on the brush. I'm doing that as well with under this area, my double chin area. I'm actually gonna start working out, which I am excited about. We do have a gym here at our apartment, but I don't like working out in public by myself, because I don't know, I just hear so many horror stories, so I don't want to do that. So I am going to just do stuff like at home. I'm going to do cardio and then just some like stomach workouts and stuff, because here's my thing, I really like my legs a lot and I don't want to lose them, I guess. So, and I guess target areas and stuff is a thing. Like, I need to actually just research, because I don't know if that's a thing. Like, if I just work on like core and arms and like this, like, can I keep my legs? You know? So I don't know, because that's one thing that scares me, because like I don't want to have little skinny legs. I don't want to lose my butt, because I already don't have like a big butt, so I don't want to lose the little cheeks that I have, you know. So I'm trying to I want my boobies to go down. Like, I really want a breast reduction, so that is one thing that I am working, trying to save up towards, because my back hurts, and I know that working out's gonna help with the size of my chest, as just by working out. So that may be something I might not need a breast reduction, but I've always had a large chest, even when I was like a size 6, size 8. My chest has always been very large, and I don't really like it, and I mean, it's not comfortable. So yeah, I know that working out will help it, but it's never gonna go down to the size that I want it to be. So yeah. Alright, it is concealer time. My concealer game has not changed at all, so I'll just kind of speed through this. I like to use the Fenty concealers. These are my favorite concealers in the whole entire world. Oh, I didn't mix the Farsali stuff with the foundation. Let me put another light little layer, because I really wanted to use this. Okay, let me just do that real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my face, and then just add a little more foundation. Just so it doesn't eat away at the foundation I already have on, because I don't know if it will. Yeah, I really like this a lot. It just adds like a pretty shine to your face, but in the best way possible. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight and stuff. This one I am almost out of. I have a backup one, but I just want to make sure that I use all of this before throwing it away, because they are kind of expensive. This is in the shade 420. And I have a lighter one that I use as well. I just put some in the cap, and then I'm going to go ahead and just tap it onto my face, and I'm tapping off the excess, and I'm really just like pushing it into the skin. Can you see me? Can you see me good? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just even this out again so I don't have any creases. I'm gonna take the P. Louise base, and it is recommended to not set this, so I'm not going to set this. I have mine in the shade 4, I think. Yeah. I will start with this color right here. It's a orangey terracotta color. The Soul Blooming palette, this is the shade Bolero, this top kind of pinky shade. And I'm gonna take this on a brush and blend out the edges of this orangey color that I did. Starting to look kind of tropical. That's not the vibe I'm going for, but I like these colors. I'm gonna go ahead and deepen this up a little bit. Take the same brush. I'm gonna take the Manny MUA, or Lunar Beauty palette, but it's Manny MUA's brand. I'm gonna take these two colors and kind of deepen this up and tone it down a little bit, because it's starting to look a little too neon for what I was going for. And it could just be the lighting, because in person it's not as like bright, but it's still not, it's a little too tropical. Looking so far, this is exactly like, this is hitting the spot of the vibe that I wanted to do, so I'm glad I went ahead and toned it down a little bit and then put that pink in the center. Hey girl. All right, so it's looking good. So instead of using that shadow that I was instead of using the eyeshadow from the Morphe palette that I was using before, I went ahead and used La Peach from Artist Couture. I did that and I like that a lot better. It's like softer, and it's like really glittery in person, so I wish you could see it. It's just because of the lightings that I'm using. You can't see it on camera. So anyway, okay, let's go ahead and bronze. Let's add some oomph to this face. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do eyeliner. This is the Betty Boop X Ipsy, and I think you can only get this on like Ipsy. It came in my bag last month, and I've only used it twice, but I fell in love with it. But this eyeliner is really good. It's very, very, very dark and kind of liquidy, but like, it's really good. Okay, so this is the finished look without my hair. So I just want to show you what lip products I used. I used the MAC, what's it called? Chestnut liner, which I always use. This is a little baby one. I have a new one. Just want to finish this one first. And then I mixed actually I didn't really mix them. I used the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick. These are like my favorite liquid lipsticks right now. The shade Exotic, really, really pretty, like terracotta color, but I like to put on top of it, just for some extra dimension, the shade, same brand, same collection, Cabaret Show. So these two are like a really pretty combination. If you want that kind of nudie pink kind of color and you have deep skin, I really recommend these two shades. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, do my little hair review, and I will see you guys in just a moment with the complete finished look. So I'll be back. Guys, I am back with my hair done. My hair is on. I did a whole hair review on this hair, so if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and check it out. But yeah, that is it. I went ahead and highlighted some more because I was just feeling myself today. I was feeling the highlighter, feeling the fantasy. Yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation video. I'm actually gonna go to Walmart right now because I gotta make some dinner for when Babe gets home. He'll be home in like a couple hours. He's at work right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, and I love you. Bye.